Bringing your prop weapons to life with a realistic, battle-worn texture is easier than you might think, and it all starts with the right tool. Our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are designed for precise, rugged performance, making them the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their prop-making skills. Whether you're working with foam or wood, these coarse burrs allow you to add intricate textures and authentic wear and tear effects that transform a basic prop into a convincing piece of movie magic. To get started, make sure your prop weapon, be it an axe, sword, or any other fantasy creation, is carved and shaped to your liking. Once you have your basic form, it's time to add that layer of realism that sets your work apart. Attach one of our coarse Carbide burr bits to your die grinder. The rugged cutting edges of these bits are engineered to handle both soft, lightweight foam and tougher wooden surfaces with ease, giving you total control over the depth and character of your texturing. Begin by referencing images of real, aged weapons, or envision how your prop might have seen years of battle and use. Identify the areas that would naturally experience the most wear, edges that might have chipped, surfaces that would have been scratched, or places where the grip would have worn down. With your die grinder in hand, gently sweep the coarse burr across these areas in short, controlled motions. For foam props, apply minimal pressure to avoid overcutting. Let the burr's sharp edges do the work. For wooden props, you can use a bit more force for deeper gouges and texture. As you move across the surface, vary your strokes. Create jagged nicks along blade edges to simulate combat damage. Grind shallow divots and uneven grooves into flat surfaces to mimic scrapes and dents. For handles or grips, use the burr to erode select spots, suggesting years of use and handling. The key is to keep your patterns organic and irregular. Nature rarely produces perfect symmetry in wear marks. One of the unique advantages of our USA-made Carbide burrs is their durability and precision. Unlike softer, less robust bits, these tools won't clog or dull quickly, even when working on tougher materials. This means you can achieve fine, detailed textures without worrying about tool performance. The coarse profile of the burr is especially effective for creating exaggerated, dramatic textures that catch the light and add visual depth, perfect for Halloween props that need to stand out. After you've finished texturing, take a moment to inspect your work. A quick pass with fine sandpaper can soften any overly sharp edges left by the burr, or you can leave them for a more rugged look. Once you're satisfied, paint and finish your prop as usual. Those grooves, divots, and scratches will hold paint and shadow in a way that brings your weapon to life under any lighting. Remember, the secret to convincing prop weathering is layering and subtlety. Start with less texture and build up gradually, stepping back often to assess the effect. With practice, you'll develop an eye for just how much damage looks right for your character or scene. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more tips and tricks for making your Halloween props the talk of the town, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear how you're using our Carbide burr die grinder bits in your own projects. So leave your Halloween prop ideas, questions, or success stories in the comments below. Happy crafting, and may your creations be both spooky and spectacular.